against the icy sky. Your absence feels like the winter, slowly passing me right by. I remember warm embraces when the world felt safe and warm. Now each day feels like a battle since you walked right out the storm. Silent snow falls softly, covering all the footprints that were made in the garden where we promised that forever we would stay. Silent snow, silent tears falling through the passing years, melting slowly in the sunrise, just like all my hopes and fears. Christmas lights are shining brightly on a tree that stands alone. They remind me of the moments that we've come to call our own. Though the winter feels endless, I know spring will come again with the promise of new beginnings to wash away this pain. Silent snow falls softly, covering all the footprints that we made in the garden where we promised that forever we would stay. Silent snow, silent tears falling through the passing years, melting slowly in the sunrise, like all my hopes and fears.
Train whistles in the distance, carry memories away, leaving station platforms, empty promises of yesterday. Your jacket still hangs beside me in the closet where it waits. Every thread holds stories of the love we used to create.